In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track outbound links in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll have outbound clicks captured automatically and visible in your GA4 reports, along with helpful context like the actual link URLs. First, open analytics.google.com and sign into your GA4 property. From there, head to the admin area. In the property column, open data streams and choose your website's web data stream. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're selecting the correct one for the domain you want to track. Inside the stream settings, find the enhanced measurement section and click the gear icon to open its details. Look for the setting labeled outbound clicks and turn it on. This tells GA4 to automatically detect and record when users click links that lead away from your domain. It's a quick win because you don't need custom code. GA4 handles the event for you. Next, go back to the admin screen and open Data Display. Select Custom Definitions. We'll add a couple of event scope dimensions so you can report on the actual link users clicked and whether it was outbound. Click Create Custom Definition. For the dimension name, enter link. For the event parameter, choose link URL. Save it. This exposes the clicked URL as a readable dimension in your reports. Create another custom definition the same way. Set the dimension name to outbound flag. Optionally add a description like outbound Boolean flag so teammates understand its purpose. For the event parameter, select outbound, save it. This gives you a simple true or false indicator of whether a click was outbound. With tracking and definitions in place, it's time to view results. Go to reports, open engagement, and then choose events. Scroll down to your events list. As outbound clicks begin to come in, you'll see them appear here. You can use the link dimension you created to view the exact URLs that were clicked and the outbound flag to confirm those clicks were to external sites. A couple of quick tips to set expectations. Data for new custom definitions isn't retroactive and may take some time to populate in standard reports, so don't worry if you don't see results immediately. Make sure your GA4 tag is properly installed and that you're testing with real outbound links, ones that go to a different domain than your own. That's it. You've enabled outbound link tracking, added meaningful dimensions for reporting, and verified where to find the data in GA4. Now you can see which external destinations get the most traction and use those insights to optimize your user journeys.